How to use time tracker in Wrike. Hello friends, in this video I'll be teaching you how to use time tracker in Wrike. One thing you must notice is that in Wrike you can effectively or efficiently track the time you spend on tasks using the time tracker, and here reserve to do it. Now the first step is to go to the relevant tasks that you'd like to track after logging in into your account. As you can see, once you are logged in, you'll be brought to the inbox, and then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu display options like search, inbox, more, advertisements, space overview, tools, projects, and folders. And then you are to open up the tax. For example, this is the tax I want to open. Now, after selecting the, okay, no, not this one, let me select another. Okay, so this is space I'm working with, for example, the personal space. Okay, and then the next step is to open up the tax by clicking on the tax and the space. And then after opening up the tax will appear in the tax view. All right, so once you can see this, the next step is to click on the start timer play button located in this view. All right, so let's just locate the start timer. This is the start timer. As you can see, it's located just below the description about the tax. So once you click on the start timer, the timer will start playing, and then Wrike will begin to track the time spent on the task and enter an entry to activity streams to signal that you began working on the task. Okay, so at the top of the screen you'll see a timer counting how much time you have spent on the task. So you can always pause the task, or you can always play it to start it. And then by the time you click on this drop down arrow here, you can set the time to whenever you want, set the date as well, and then you will see the amount of time as well as the time entries. And then you can enter in your comments and then click on add entry, and just like that the entry will also be added. So this is how you can use start timer in Wrikes. Ensure you try this out. Okay, thanks for watching.